Hello, this is Ben from KORDZ, and today I'm here to show you guys how to terminate the KORDZ SlimCat network cable. The system has the cable, which is here, very thin cable, the connector, and the wire manager that goes inside. I'll show you guys how to use that later, and then associated with that was a strain relief, so we'll put that on later. Okay, here we go. So step one is to put the strain relief on. Okay, I always forget to do this. Next is you want to strip the wire. So just take any wire stripper, 3 centimeters will do, anything like that. Just score it a little bit and then break it. You can usually take it off. Okay, so I've gone on lower edge and then just pull the pairs apart first and then you can get to the cross separator. So there's 2 ways of doing this. Either you can get a pair of wire cutters and just cut it, or the way I like to do it is just to kind of pull it off, because then you're not afraid of cutting the wires. Okay, then proceed to just untwist the wires. So this is what I like about this cable. It doesn't hurt the hands when you're doing this. Whereas usually you need to kind of get a screwdriver and kind of go over it. Okay, so just pull the wires apart, straighten it out. Okay, and then this one as well. All right, so I'm going to use 568B wiring method. So white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, and finally white, brown, and brown. Hope you guys can see all that. And then, so this is the trick. So what you want to do is, after you've got your wires straightened out, you want to take a pair of side cutters and just make sure that you have, just to show you guys, you want to cut it at an angle like so. Okay. So it should look something like this. All right, this will help you immensely later on. So from here, take your wire manager with the angled side up. So you see how there's an angled side on the right-hand side? Sorry, about here. Angle side up, and you want to just feed the wires through, just like any other two-piece RJ45. And as you're doing it, what you want to do is you want to kind of fan out the wires, a little bit. It kind of just goes in like this. Quite easy, you know. As you can see, there's not a lot of resistance or anything like that. Okay, so push it as close to the jacket as possible. It gives you the best performance. And then you want to take a pair of side cutters again and just snip off the ends like so. So that's completely flush. Okay, if it pokes out a little bit, it's fine. Not a big issue. Okay, so this is where now you've got to put the connector on. So pin side up, and with the wire manager angled side up like so. Just feed it through and make sure it's sitting at the end of the connector. So you can kind of see here, we've colorized the wire manager slightly, a slight tinted gray, so you can see it being fully seated. So just double check and make sure that it's fully seated here, like so. Next is you want to put the strain relief, lock it into the connector body. Okay, you've got to do this before you crimp it, because otherwise it will not seat in. Next, take a set of RJ45 crimpers. I don't have the KORDZ one with me today, but any one will do, so I'm using this one. Just happen to have it on hand, and just feed it in like so. Okay, and so once it's done, crimp it. You're good to go. And this is how it looks. As an added bonus, if you want to use the locking mechanism, which is a pin that comes with a strain relief, you can just feed it through the back like so. And then if you hear a slight click like so, you'll know that it's fully in. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.